Hello everyone! So, typing job naman ang ating ituturo sa inyo. You learn Korean language while you earn. Okay, so paano nga ba kumita dito? Ito yung mga payout options niya. Paymaya, GCash, Dana, OVO, request payment via email. So, syempre ang aantayin ko dyan yung makakash out ka ng 5,000 pesos. So, paano ka makakash out ng 5,000 pesos? Wala kang ilalabas na pera, wala kang babayaran dito. Okay, so you will be given 75 sets to encode Korean terms. So, meron kang 2 minutes duration per set. So, see for example, ang typing speed mo is equals to 112 points. Computin natin. 75 times 112 is equals to 8,400. 8,400 times 30 days, number of days per month is equals to 252,000. So, kung hindi mo agad yan i-withdraw, mag-ipon ka ulit for another month. So, times 2 is equals to 504,000. So, as you can see, all you need to earn is 500 points to get 5,000 pesos. So, for 2 months, kikita ka ng 5,000. So, pwede mo yung ma-encash using GCash and Maya. So, paano nga ba siya gumagana? Ayan. So, all you need to do is to type the given Korean terms. Yun lang.